Hi, I'm Tim Gibson. I'm going to talk to you about power tools. Now, power tools are a great way to make woodworking projects or home repair projects a little faster and a little easier to do. But there are some precautions that we need to take when we're using power tools. First, you always want to make sure you have a good pair of safety glasses to protect your eyes, and occasionally it's also good to have some gloves on hand depending on what you're handling, but also just to protect your hands. The basic power tool that we will use a lot would be a drill such as this. A size as this is a 12-volt version. It's a little more lightweight. It's very versatile. We can use it for drilling holes or for putting bit attachments on and driving screws. And there are larger versions of this that you can get in 18 up to 24 volts. And the more power that you need on your battery-powered tools is for heavier duty jobs. You will need a larger drill such as an 18 volt or a 24 volt. And of course, for very heavy duty jobs such as drilling large holes or attaching nuts to bolts, then we'd probably want to use a corded drill still. But these are very convenient. Batteries are rechargeable and last a long time. Now, you can also get the skill saw version of these battery power tools. So this particular one happens to be an 18 volt version. But again, it gives you a lot of power, and usually a saw this size is going to be good for ripping thin material or cross-cutting 2x4s. It's not going to, the batteries will wear down if you do really cut material that is very hardwood or real heavy by nature. Now, one thing that's becoming more popular, there's several brands out now that are incorporating high power skill saws such as this, but on a rail system. Now, what the rail system allows you to do, allows you to cut very straight cuts. So instead of having to draw a line on your material and try to follow it, it's very easy with adapters to this. You can square up this rail to the material, line it up with the edge on the mark, and then you would just turn your saw on and run it down the rail, and you'd get a straight, consistent cut every time. Also, they make other versions, so as routers. Routers you can use freehand, you can use with bushings or inserts attached, but again, this also comes with a sled that allows you to run it down the sled, so to make sure you put your holes or route edges and get a good consistent edge every time. Of course, what's nice about this system, it also is incorporated into a vacuum system and then a unique power cord, so it's very easy to switch from tool to tool. So I'm Tim Gibson with some information about power tools.